Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can playing the retro games on your iPhone. So you can do this, or you can play these games on the iPhone by downloading the application called Delta. You just need to open your app library, and then you just need to tap into the App Store or type into the app library search button here in App Store to find the App Store, and then you just need to tap it. Now the next you need to do is just go tap into the search button in here, and then tap into the search section, and then type Delta Emulator, and then you just need to tap it. The next thing you need to do is just wait until some application is loaded by the App Store itself, and then make sure you download the application with this symbol with the purple color and this type of random symbol there. They're also showing you here several instructions about the games that they have on the application or emulator, and then you just need to scrolling into or swipe into the left side to get the brief explanation about this application. Right after you're done with it, read every information, you just need to tap into get and just follow all of the instruction to download this. So basically that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.